Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your Airtime into cash on Opay application. So if you are on Opay, you have to log into your Opay account, and then you can simply click on this Airtime button here. After that, you have to find this Airtime window where you can actually find there are any features available that can actually convert your airtime into real cash. So Opay doesn't have that feature yet, but hopefully it will add that feature as soon as possible, but it's not currently available. But don't worry, for that you can actually find in more section you also can find that option here. But we have an alternative application that is Dortmund wallet, so you can sell your airtime in this application. So first you have to open that application here, then you have to log into your account. After that you can simply click on this three line button here. Now you will find airtime to cash. So you have to simply click on it, then it will ask for verify your identity. So you have to verify your identity with your government issued valid ID image of your both sides. So it could be an ID card, voter's card, or driver license, or international passport. So you have to capture the both side image photo, then you have to upload that photo in this section. You can simply click on browse this camera button here, then you can upload your photo from here. Also you can enter your email address, and you have to enter your phone number, valid phone number here. Then you can upload the data, then they will verify your identity. Then the next steps, you have to verify your account, then you have to select the bank name here, then you have to enter your account number, then the account holder name. So here you can see you have to select the Opay Digital Service Limited, the Opay bank, and then you have to add your account number, then your account holder name. Then here you can find it will also ask for to it will also ask to customize or just set up your profile page before verification. So you have to go to the profile, and you have to add your first name, your last name. You have to make sure that you have correct email. You have added your phone number, the bank name here. You can find your account name here and account number, and you can also add your address. So for that, adding all those details, you have to simply click on this add profile button here. So after that, you can actually use this application to convert your airtime to real cash. So here you can see you'll find all of your balance here, the wallet balance here. So here you can also find your total airtime in this section. So that's the only way. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.